Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Are you ready for another brilliant collaboration? I'm so excited. And it's another collaboration organized by Claire's Crafty Corner. Thank you so much, Claire. This is brilliant. And guess what? It's Christmas in July. Oh my God, I love Christmas. And I'm gonna be making a little angel decoration. So cute. Oh my God, this is very exciting. Christmas in July. Yes, bring it on. I love Christmas. Absolutely love Christmas. And I can do Christmas anytime. I can probably get all the decorations ready like from January to December. I love them and I've got so many ideas for what I can do, and I don't think my tree can take anymore. But hey ho, more decorations. I like it. Just need to find a room where to put them. Oh well, but here we go. I'm gonna make some little, very simple, very easy to make little decoration, angel decorations. And here it is. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, so adorable. I made something similar ages ago. You probably guessed it because I have made a lot of stuff in the past and now I'm revisiting it. So here we go. Let's get on with it because I'm too excited about this. What you need is a 10 centimeter wooden shape circle, ta-da! A 40 millimeters semi-sphere or 4 centimeters of diameter. You need some angel wings. They're so cute and adorable. I will put a link of all of these in the description, but I found this and just look at them. And there's 4 shapes. That's one. That's the other one. That's number 3 and 4. So cute. Obviously, it goes without saying that everything comes from Amazon. There's no affiliate links. So it is everything that I bought myself. But when I saw them, I just fell in love with them. I was like, oh my God, that's what I need. And then you need some ribbon. I love gingham. It's just so cool. And this color is amazing. It's like a dark red. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Then we're going to be painting. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Little hearts. They're about 4 centimeters across. And then we're going to be needing a ruler and one of these. I don't know what they're called. Some acrylic paint. I chose red and I'm going to be painting the hearts with this color. Some gold for the wings. Some acrylic markers to do all the details. And I think we can start. It's so beautiful. I love it. Oh no, I forgot. And also you need macrame cord. Ta-da! And this is for the hair. And I love doing macrame, so I've got loads of offcuts. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. So much fun. This is going to be brilliant. We're going to start with painting the hearts and the wings. So whilst they're drying, we can get on with everything else. Here we go. One coat done. I'm going to wait until they dry, and then once they dry, I'm going to do another coat. In the meantime, I'm going to be painting the wings and I'm going to be painting them gold. I love this. It's like liquid metal and it's an amazing gold. I've used it for other projects and I bought it when I went to London into like, we found this amazing art shop. Oh my God, it's just so antique and beautiful. I'm going to put the link in the description because it's just, if you're there or thereabouts, just worth a visit. I can't say the name because way beyond me. But the shop is amazing. They do online shops and I bought a few bits when I went in there and I could have spent a flipping fortune. Well, thinking about it, I think I did. Oops, never mind. But yeah, this is amazing. And I'm going to be painting. I'm going to be using this to paint the wings. So let's get on with it. And whilst those are drying, I'm going to do a second coat on the hearts. And just to remind you that this is an amazing collaboration. So there is a playlist, and please, please, please make sure you check all of the other incredible and talented creative minds that they're going to be on the playlist, because there's going to be so much going on, and it's going to be so exciting. Just make sure you check them all. But let's get on and give this a second coat. They're all painted wings and hearts. So I'm going to wait for them to dry. And in the meantime, I'm going to start doing the little face. Ooh, we're going to be making the hair with the cord. So let me show you what I'm going to do. But before I start doing the hair, I want to show you something that is so exciting. I've realized that you can clean. You probably already knew it, but I'm going to tell you anyway because I was so excited about this. See, my little silicone mat is all now painted and is all a little bit not tidy. And oh my God, WD-40, that's the secret. You can clean silicone really easy with this. It's coming back like brand new. I'm so excited. Look at this. Da-da-da-da. Oh, look at that. Look at them disappear. You got to apply a little bit of pressure, but it's amazing. It comes back to life. Look, all of the paint gone. I have to say the gold is a little bit stickier. But I am so excited. Oh, I'm shaking everything now. Sorry about the earthquake. And look at that. As if nothing happened. Amazing. But let's get back to business. Hair on the angel. Ta-da! So I've got my little cord. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to tie knots. So I'm going to cut it there. And I'm going to do different length because I want to do like some sort of a fringe and then it comes down. So the first one, you do like a knot like this, and I want it pretty much there. The first loop is going to be shorter. So, and then you pull it. There we go. That's your first little loop. So cute. Then you cut another piece. We do another loop, but this time we leave it a little bit longer. And we're going to do a total of 6 knots. So 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. And let's have a look. So this is going to be like that will be fine. And then we leave the other one quite long. And there we go, my 3 length. Okay, now I've got to try and reproduce that for the other side. And this is the last one. Don't worry about if you frays because we're going to cut it, so don't panic. Now what we're going to do, we're going to glue all of the knots on the edge. And we trim the top bit. And once we trimmed it, this is the fun bit. You're going to squidge it down just to open up all the threads. So then it's all like spiky hair. And there she is. what I'm going to do, I've got my marker and I'm gonna draw the eyes. And we're gonna do the cheeks. With a very fine white marker, I'm gonna do the dots for the eyes. And I'm gonna do a little white dot on the top of the cheeks. And there she is. What I forgot though, it's, if you look at the spheres, they're like bits of wood all attached together and glued together. So I should have really put the face the other way around. I should have drawn it this way. Reason being, because if you look at that, one of the eyes leaked on the side. It's okay, it's not too obvious, so I'm okay with that. I can still work with that. I'm fine. It's fine. But just to let you know, bear in mind, so don't work on the straight lines, but work this way, and I think it should work better. First one done. And then what we're going to do with the body, so we're going to use the 10 centimeter circle to do the body, and we're going to trying to find the middle. I'm going to do it by eye. I'm not going to measure. She says, well done, Connie. And then I'm going to measure 4 centimeters, because then it's going to have a diameter of 8 centimeters, which is going to be 2 centimeters short of the actual circle. So I should end up with there or thereabouts 1 centimeter on each side. Again, she says. Let's do it. So I think the middle bit, it's there. And you want to draw like a very light circle, just enough so you can see what you're doing. There we go. Yeah, see, that's not centered. I'm okay with that. It's not perfection that I'm looking for. It's fun. And then with the gold marker, I'm going to do like little lines all around it as if it's like stitching. So let's do that. There we go. I've done all my stitching. So what I'm going to do, with a black thinner marker, I'm going to highlight it a little bit on the inside of the circle, just to make it stand out a little bit, so they are looking like stitches. In the meantime, the hearts are dry, so I'm going to glue it in the middle, or thereabouts. That's it. I think just there is fine. I'm going to glue my head there. Then I'm going to attach the wings. I've only painted them on one side, but I think I'm going to paint the other side once they're on. So let's glue them. Oh, this is going to be a little bit tricky. We need to be a little bit careful, because what I want to do, I want to glue it on the thickness around the edges of the wood. I don't want it to stick out too much, and also it's going to be by the head. There she is, and now we're going to give her a little bow. Ah, so exciting. So we cut a little bit of ribbon, and then we cut a shorter string, because what we're going to do, gonna get our 2 fingers, wrap it like that, and then what we're going to do is push this through. Oh, Easier said than done, Connie. Boom! We've got our little bow. Let's glue it in position and then we can tidy it up. I know my scissors are a little bit big, but I love them. I love using them. I'm not even sewing or making dresses or anything like that, but they're so cool. And I know it's a bit of an overkill for just cutting a little ribbon, but they work. Brilliant. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give some highlights to the heart. A big blob there, a line there, and a little dot there. What do you think? So easy, so quick and easy. And look at that. Isn't she cute? Isn't she adorable? Then we're going to attach a little loop on the back of the head so then we can hang it on the tree. Yay! My angels are ready. I've done one per set of wings because obviously there was a set of four different kind of wings. What do you think? Do you like them? Oh, I am very, very happy with them. I painted the back of the wings as well. And also, I've done them as Christmas decorations. Like, I'm going to put them on the tree. But you can use them as gift tags so people can keep them and hang them in their house. You can just write a message at the back. You can paint this bit. You can cover it with card or paint it and cover it partially with card. There's so much else that you can do with these. So I hope you like them. Which one is your favorite? I think I love them. I love these wings. Look at them. Look at my little angels. I hope you like them and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And as I said, this is a massive collaboration organised by Claire's Crafty Corner, and there's a playlist and the link is in the description. So make sure you check out all of the other creative souls because there's some amazing stuff. They're really, really clever and talented people. So make sure you check it. And if you like this video, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on when the next video is out? Because there's going to be more creative things coming. So there we go. It's goodbye for now. Take care. Bye bye.